Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will see MCS 011 course code, and its course title is Problem Solving and Programming. So here's the first question, which is write an algorithm, draw corresponding flowchart, and write an interactive program which prompts the user with the following options in the opening menu. So there are five options we need to, which will be opening menu. So to reverse a 5-digit number, second is to check whether the 5-digit number is a palindrome or not. Third is to find the sum of all the digits of the 5-digit number. 4 is quit and 5 is enter your choice. Okay, and note is use switch case statement. So if you want answer of this all of the assignments of this course code, so you can simply contact us on WhatsApp at this given number 900-936-8238. For complete paid assignments you can send us direct message on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video.